Hey, what's going on, guys, gals, aliens, and DJ freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. We're going to talk a little bit about the breaking upcoming news and recent developments in the Ben Armstrong debacle with the Hit Network. You know, I've had a lot of, different opinions. My opinions have changed over the past couple days. It's kind of evolving. I'm giving Ben the benefit of the doubt. There really is some interesting things happening and allegations that both sides are posing. Hit Network's allegations are, employee abuse, issues with money and finances, apparent drug abuse and things like that. That's Hit Network's allegations toward Ben. And then Ben's allegations is that none of that is true, and that they are trying to they are having a coup against Ben and exited him from the company, all of the different trademarks that have to do with his company. So we don't really know how much of the company Ben owned in general. Like, yes, he started the company, he's the face of the company, he is BitBoy. So that's what's interesting about this story, is that, we really don't know, and that's obviously like what everyone has been, on both sides have been saying. They can't say everything, they can't release everything. So it's kind of, up to us to make our own, educated decision of like, how do we want to follow the story? Do we trust Ben? Do we want to support Ben? Do we want to support the Hit Network? I'm staying neutral. I think it's a good idea to basically keep getting information. Sam Price said something that one of his dad had a nice quote. He was like, "Don't say anything until, stay silent until you find out more. Just like don't say anything until more is revealed. Like, just keep gathering information and stay silent. There's no reason to jump to conclusions." And I'm kind of guilty of that sometimes, where you want to say something, you want to give your opinion, but you got to kind of wait a little bit to get more information out. So yeah, I don't know, I'm giving Ben the benefit of the doubt. There could be something that's happening in terms of like what he's saying about it being a deceitful takeover, like they're trying to do it from out from under him. But there's got to be something's going on. So with that being said, we have the actual the markets are going green today. I think we had Bitcoin doing a move up to as high as 27,500, and then now we're kind of going back into the 27,300, 400 range. So it's kind of skirting back and forth. Doge is doing really good. I'm in a Bitcoin and Dogecoin trade right now, and it's doing very well. The Dogecoin trade's up like 60 something percent. So I have a trade in for Doge because I feel like something's about to happen any moment with X payments and with Elon Musk, and we just know like we're going to see some action with Dogecoin on this platform. It's just for me, it's just a no-brainer. So I want to make sure that I have exposure to Dogecoin, and I don't feel like an idiot or that I missed out or something like that when something starts pumping. And and too with Bitcoin, because we have the Bitcoin ETF approval rating and percentage rating of the approval being up over 80%. So that's with Grayscale, BlackRock, ARK Invest, Fidelity. There's like 15 of them that are in the works of being approved. And once one is approved, it's just going to start the domino effect of all the other ones. And not dominoes, but staircase of the price going up. And so I can't wait for that. It's really good news. We have China being a little bit more friendly with Bitcoin institutional services, which means that companies can start getting exposure to Bitcoin and starting using different Bitcoin and crypto services. So that's good. So that's kind of opening up the gates a little bit. We have El Salvador and Argentina having good Bitcoin exposure geopolitically. And so I think overall we have some good outlook for the last quarter of the year. and we have the halving coming up in April 2024 for Bitcoin. So there's a lot of stuff. I mean, there's some good stuff in the market. You know, there's great projects to dollar cost average into. You got Polygon, you got Ethereum, you have Chainlink, Avalanche. You know, there's a lot of projects that you can dollar cost average into, strong projects. There's, Optimism. You know, Optimism is being used by Coinbase's Base layer 2 network as a stack to be able to handle transactions and stuff like that. So you gotta look for projects like that, those nice layer 2s. And also we got layer 1s that are coming up, like Radix and Caspa, projects like that are building full smart contract platforms. And we're pretty early with those. So yeah, there's a lot to look at, guys. There's a lot to look at. And I think if you keep your finger on the dial when it comes to this market, and we can definitely make some money. And this is the accumulation phase. This is mass accumulation phase. This is where we need to be accumulating as much assets as possible. As much assets as possible. We know that our dollar in the United States is inflating. Our economy is inflated. Our prices are going up. Our dollar is not as worth as much as it was. So we can't purchase as many things. So what do we need to purchase and hedge against for our dollar? It's Bitcoin, it's crypto. So one that I forgot to mention, in these lists of coins that I keep spitting out, is Cardano. So Cardano is like on a fire sale right now. Basically, it's at 24 cents or 25 cents. You can get one Cardano for the price of a gumball. So not financial advice, but snatching up a bag of Cardano right now would not be a bad idea, I would say. But yep, guys, thanks for watching this video and tuning in, and get this video to 50 likes minimum, 50 likes minimum. And I want to see some new subscribers on this video. I want to get to 1,000. I'm so close. This channel has come a long way. If you guys have been watching me from the beginning, I appreciate you so much for sticking around this long, and great things are coming with this channel. I want to provide awesome content for you guys and bring you the latest news right when it hits the market, so you guys can make some decisions. All right, I hope you guys are blessed and you're having a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.